Hello, Miriam here with your midweek update. A quick look at the next couple of days, which look to be mostly settled but cool in the east, with a couple of cold fronts on the way for southern Australia. So let's take a closer look now. Now, the dominant weather feature across Australia at the moment is the large high pressure system stationed over southeastern parts of the continent. It is extending settled weather across eastern and central parts of Australia, responsible for those partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies we've been seeing, as well as the cool, foggy and frosty mornings. This system isn't really moving over the next couple of days, which means we're likely to see these mostly settled conditions continuing for much of central and southeastern Australia. Onshore wind flow is bringing a little bit of shower activity to the Queensland coast, however, particularly about the North Tropical Coast. It's being driven by that same high pressure system, which, as it's not really moving over the next couple of days, means that those showers will be persistent about the North Tropical Coast in particular. However, from around Friday, we may see them extend a little ways further south. Speaking of the south, we are going to see a break in the high pressure pattern as a cold front moves across Tasmania tomorrow. Now, it is going to drop the snow level down to around 1,200 metres over Tassie tomorrow with a fresh burst of showers for the state, but it'll move out fairly quickly and won't really affect the mainland too greatly at all. Another high pressure system moves in behind that front, bringing a return to settled conditions very quickly after it's moved through. Later on Friday, our attention is going to shift westwards towards the west coast, where another cold front is going to move across southwestern parts of Western Australia. It will bring a few patchy showers and the slight chance of a coastal thunderstorm, but rainfall totals will remain on the low side of things. Less than 10 millimetres is expected around that coastal fringe with this cold front. Moving on to temperatures now, we are in for a few very cool mornings ahead, particularly through central and southeastern parts of the country. You can see for tomorrow morning, large areas below 5 degrees, including for central Australia. Alice Springs in for just 2 degrees overnight tonight. That pattern continues tomorrow and into Saturday as well, but the temperatures start to come up by a degree or two through most of these areas. That does mean we're going to see a consistent frost risk across the next few days, with tomorrow having the most widespread frost areas, particularly through southeast South Australia, inland Victoria and southern New South Wales. But we do have the slight chance of frost through central Australia as well. It's unlikely to be widespread or severe, but it may feel a bit crunchy underfoot as you wake up tomorrow morning. The frost risk areas do become less widespread through Friday and Saturday mornings as those temperatures start to come up just a touch, but there is still that potential through some inland parts by the weekend. Now, our maximum temperatures are also going to be on the cool side of things, particularly through central and southeastern Australia, less than 20 degrees for the most part over the next few days. It will still be warm on the west coast, however. Perth is going to remain above 25 degrees for those maximum temperatures through the rest of this week. We can see how today we're heading for a top of 26 degrees, tomorrow 27, and even on Friday 25 degrees is the forecast maximum temperature. Through the rest of the continent, those temperatures are holding fairly steady as well, with that high pressure system keeping things fairly stable. You can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website or the BOM weather app. Have a good rest of your week, and we'll see you on Friday.